All right, cybersecurity people. So here's a little video intro to the Career Research Project 3.2.1. The first thing you want to do is go on PLTW and watch this little video on cybersecurity careers. It goes into Lockheed Martin and what they need for cybersecurity, um, that sort of thing. So you're going to, check that out. Watch the video. It's not long. And then you're going to start into the career path questions. And instead of answering them on here, I have your document where I have the same stuff. And you're going to answer these, each one of these. And if it's something that needs a link or you got from, a website, then you're going to post the link on here. I have an example of a, former student who did one. He was looking at career path things. He found a job. You're going to actually pretend you're looking for a cybersecurity job, and find a real one that's offered right now. So he's got, a link to this right here, the job listings. This one's passed in a while ago. And it has where their locations are, penetration testers, the job he wanted, and then the roles. And he got these from the website in the job description, what qualifications are needed, and all that stuff. So you're going to go through and do that too. The salaries based off Indeed.com from Ohio, stuff like that. And then if you wanted to get it, the education that it would take to do it, you picked Ohio State, and then looked up how much time it would how much time it would take before you could get that job. Kind of went into all that stuff. And then there's a separate thing on competitions. There's a lot of different cybersecurity competitions that you can look up too. And then at the end, you're supposed to make an artifact, which is basically a summary of what you were able to find out about a job. Okay, so like here's a different student's cybersecurity engineer. You don't have to do it on this many slides, but it kind of went into what job you liked, and then what salary and experience is required, because a lot of people will pick like lead cyber architect, and and it requires you have like 20 years of experience. You wouldn't really start out at that job, but if you want to get there, you can look into what it would take, and then where you would go and how much it cost per year. If you want a 4-year university, or there's lots of other universities that can get you the certifications. Anyway, so yeah, you're going to make a slide that kind of summarizes it. We're going to kind of present to the class. So anyway, hopefully that looks better. As far as what I did, really, I typed in cybersecurity job listing. I scrolled down a little, and look, it's Lockheed Martin, which is, I thought that was kind of funny because the one up here, this video from PLTW, was about Lockheed Martin and their cybersecurity positions. So, you could pick that and, look at, this is in Columbus, Ohio, and look at what their candidates need. Look up the salary and what kind of experience you need and qualifications. But that was just one. There's tons of them. Look at these down the left side. Cybersecurity engineer for Dell. That's in Columbus, Ohio. All these are really close by. And you could look further away if you wanted to work for like the Air Force or something like that. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to find some of these. The other thing a lot of people haven't done yet, it showed up in our stuff, but I clicked this best jobs in cybersecurity for 2020 and how to get one. If you don't know what different jobs are there, look it up, right? The penetration tester, we've talked about that. That seems like a cool job, but you can read about it. If you don't know what a systems engineer is versus a analyst or a cybersecurity engineer or manager administrator, so look these up and just, take a minute and know the difference between them. They all pay really well, but you want to make sure that you look into one you think would be fun or would be interesting to do. Okay, so anyway, hopefully that helps get you started. You're actually looking for a real cybersecurity job, and try to find one with what requirements they list and how much money they would pay. And you want to put links in anytime you're getting something, so I can click on it and you say they have offices in Columbus, Ohio, Virginia, and Iowa, and I can click on here and double and check that and see that there is a job listing there. So that's kind of what you're doing with this. You're just looking, pretending you're looking for a job, and I would say, pick a job that you think you'd actually like and why, and and go into it a little bit. All right. Okay, so hopefully that gets you a good start. I will talk to you later and send me questions if you have them. All right. Later, people.